Hi there, students. Taradiddle. Taradiddle. Okay, this is a noun. It's an uncountable noun. We use it with two different meanings, but effectively there's a continuum from one to another. The first is a little lie, a fib. Yeah, so he's always telling taradiddles. His taradiddles are not meant to hurt anyone, you see, and I go straight away and I give you an example of it as a countable noun. And then taradiddle, rubbish, nonsense, things that have been blown up, pretentiousness. So he's always talking a load of taradiddle. Yeah, it's like this fisherman's story. How big was the fish you caught? Yeah, the fisherman's tale is taradiddle. Yeah, it's a load of tommy rot, a load of old tosh, a load of old twaddle. Yeah, it's just absolute humbug or bilge, a load of old baloney. It doesn't matter how you slice it, it's still baloney. Yeah, it's a load of balderdash, codswallop, claptrap. Yeah, it's just nonsense. Okay, so this is the idea of this taradiddle. It's a little lie or pretentious nonsense trying to show how big and how important you are. So it's got the idea of adding or blowing something up. Yeah, when you tell a story, when you're in the pub and you're telling a story of you'd be amazed at what happened to me, then this is where the taradiddle comes in, and it's always that bit bigger than it really was, and it's that bit more dangerous, or that bit longer, or that bit more painful or problematic. And this is the idea of taradiddle. Yeah, it's pretentious fibs, pretentious little lies, exaggeration. So yeah, I think to be a good storyteller, you need to use taradiddle. I think the difference is if you make people believe this is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, or if you just say, but this is an apocryphal story. Yeah, this is what people say happened. Okay, so taradiddle. Yeah, just a load of bilge. Yeah, a load of rubbish. So taradiddle. He's always produces this taradiddle. So a little lie or a load of nonsense, a load of old twaddle. Yeah, this is his taradiddle. Yeah, a little fib. Yeah, a load of old nonsense. I think that he's always making up a load of taradiddle. Yeah, it's a petty lie. Nobody in their right mind would invent such a taradiddle. Yeah, all we get from him is taradiddle about how he met famous people, and they were really impressed with him. They really loved him. Yeah. Okay. So taradiddle, a load of old rubbish, a load of old cobblers. Yeah, that's a better word. So a small lie, a small falsehood, or twaddle, pretentious talking. It could be pretentious writing as well. I think there's a lot of taradiddle in the newspapers as well. Just pretentious baloney. They're always producing this pretentious stuff. It's silly talk, silly writing, a load of humbug. Yeah, it's got there's nothing actually, nothing of consistency in it. Now, I've been trying to find the origin to this. Let's see, it's been around for quite a long time. It's a British word, by the way, this taradiddle. It's been around for at least 150, 200 years. And I think maybe it's related to the word diddle, to cheat, to diddle somebody. He diddled me out of my money. Yeah, he tried to diddle me. Taradiddle. maybe that's the idea of cheating or blowing up the story out of all proportion. Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 4, maybe a 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think you might get away with it in a semi-formal writing, but definitely not something very formal. So, Taradiddle. Yeah, what I've been telling you is not Taradiddle. Yeah. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Taradiddle.